shooting you. Fill up your gun. Is it full? No, you gotta fill it up. You gotta.
Fill it up, Colton. Does Colton know how?
Huh?
Does he know how?
How what?
Colton?
Push it down and pull it up. Carter, show him how to do it. You fill it up? Is it full? I can't get away from him.
It's skirting you down, huh?
So far.
Let's go get Daddy again. Yeah!
He's all for it, Colton. Yeah!
All we need for water.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I say that's enough. There's tons of water in there.
No, there isn't.
You didn't fill it up.
You didn't have no water.
Let's see. Hold on. There's tons of water in there. Colton, you gotta push it down. And then
Get
pull
him,
it
Carter.
up.
Carter. Get him.
Yeah, see now.
Do it, Carter. Do it, Carter.
Oh, that was a good one. Woo!
All the way at the bottom, Carter. There you
Wear
go.
your ass out, man.
What's my gun get full?
Ready,
Oh,
set, go.
No, not yet, Colton.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Do
Mine
it.
has to take a long time.
It does?
Yeah, like 10 minutes.
No, do it.
10 minutes.
Hurry up.
Yeah. Look at him.
You can't get me.
Hi, buddies.
Yeah. I'm pretty much almost covered up in water.
Can we get our jackets? It's cold out here.
We're going to go in a minute.
Only a couple more times and then we're done.
No.
Only a couple more times.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Let's get him.
He's waiting for you.
Go, Carter. Yours is done. Let's go. Get him. Go.
No! Colton! It's only water.
I want to get new clothes on because
It's only water.
Because you got a little bit of water on
I
you?
can't cool with the water, you.
Because you got a little water on you? You're cold?
Give me a second.
Which is water.
Oh.